Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I will be making a short corkscrew hairstyle using Brazilian wool and lunch hole. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, do well to like, subscribe, comment and share. Without wasting much time, let's go into it.
Following blissful page, fun and entertain. Cool places to see, wonders for you and me. Wonderful sights, endless delights. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All around the world, stories unfold. Every post a dream, more than it seems. Wonderful sights, endless delights. Yeah, 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 yeah. All around the world, stories unfold. Every post a dream, more than it seems. Wonderful sights, endless delights. Yeah, 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 yeah. Following blissful page, fun and entertain. Cool places to see, wonders for you and me. Wonderful sights, endless delights. Yeah, yeah, yeah. All around the world, stories unfold. Every post a dream, more than it seems. Wonderful sights, endless delights. Yeah, 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 yeah. All around the world, stories unfold. Every post a dream, more than it seems. Wonderful sights, endless delights. Yeah, 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 yeah.
So here is our final look. See how beautiful it is.